Hello. This video will show you how to download, install, and license Kaledo Knit, Print, and Weave. Please note, this video is a guide. Installation times may differ depending on the type of computer you have. Please open your FIT Gmail account and look for an email from your instructor with the subject Lectra Kaledo Home Install. This email will contain a link to the Lectra Kaledo applications you will need to download, along with a link to download the license file for the Lectra applications, and a link to this video. Now, under where it says Link to Folder to Download Kaledo, Knit, Weave, and Print applications, and Activation Tools, click the Google Drive link. Here is where you can download all the Lectra applications, including the activation tool, which I will show you how to use later in this video. In this demonstration, we will download and install Kaledo Knit. This same process also applies when you download and install Print and Weave. Go to Kaledo Knit, right-click and select Download. You may get a warning that the file cannot be scanned because it's too big. No need to worry, just click Download anyway. The file will now start to download. Once the file finishes downloading, open File Explorer and click the Downloads folder. Locate the zip file called Kaledo Knit. You will need to extract this folder. To do this, right-click on the folder and click Extract All. This window will show you where the folder will extract to. Click on Extract to begin. Once the folder finishes extracting, click on the file folder with the same name as the zipped folder that you just extracted. You might need to click on the folder twice to get into the content of the folder. Once in the folder, click on the Start file. A page will open to select your language. In this case, we will select English. Scroll down to where it says Kaledo Knit Installation. We are using the 64-bit installation as it pertains to our computer. If your computer runs a 32-bit version of Windows, use the 32-bit installer. A window will now appear saying, Preparing to install. Go through the prompts. Select Complete. Continue through the rest of the prompts. Now the install of Kaledo Knit will begin. The Kaledo installation has now finished. Please follow the same instructions to install Print and Weave. Do not proceed to Part 4 until you have installed Kaledo Knit, Weave, and Print. Now that you have successfully installed Kaledo Knit, Weave, and Print, go back to your FIT email account and open the email from your instructor again. Click on the link to open up the Google Drive folder that contains the Lectra applications. Right-click Lectra Activation and click Download. Run the installer once it finishes downloading. You will then get a pop-up saying Preparing to install. Run through the prompts. Select Complete and continue through the prompts. The activation tool has now been installed. Go back to your FIT Gmail account and open up the email from your instructor. Click on the lecture license link. It starts with www.lectra.com. A tab will open in your browser, and you will have to fill out the necessary information. Click Submit when you're done. You now should have received a confirmation email. Go back to your FIT Gmail account. You should see an email from Lectra Licensing. Go into the email, scroll to the bottom, and download the license file to your computer. Once the download is finished, click on the Start menu and look for the folder Lectra Tools. You may see two Lectra Tools folders, but the one we want is the Lectra Tools all in one word. Click on Activation Tool. On this window, we're going to click Select. Go to your Downloads folder and select the Lectra License Activation file. Then click Open. Now click Activate. Wait for a few seconds, and you will see a message appear that the activation has been successful. Click OK. Close out the activation tool. Now we are going to test all the Kaledo products to make sure they run correctly. Here is knit. Looks good. Here is print. Looks good. Finally weave. Also looks good. And you're done. You have successfully installed and licensed Kaledo Knit, Print, and Weave. If you're having any problems installing Kaledo after watching this video, please email us at techhelp@fitnyc.edu.